Yes, my people. So I've talked about great setups when I'll take a trade, what to look out for, but how about not to look out for and a time I won't take a trade? And this is a key reason for this is a key reason why I won't take a trade sometimes. So when we have this, you can see structure has shifted bearish. Nice. That gives us a bearish zone where we last broke structure. Broke structure once we candle closed below, giving us this supply zone here. Perfectly valid area of supply. We can see on the 15-minute 2 or the higher time frame is also a valid high, even further confirmation that this is a good area of supply. So bias is perfectly fine, POI is perfectly fine. We can expect price to put in a lower high here. What happens? We come into the zone, right? And you can see as we come into the zone, we actually shift structure. We make a high, a low, higher high, lower low. So this is the point where I know people will start maybe to take a trade in this area of supply responsible. I'll take their trade here, stop loss above, maybe go for this protected low. Let's see how that plays out. And you get stopped out. Now why is this and why did I not take this trade? Well, the reason is simply put, equal highs, equal lows. If I'm selling, okay, I'm never going to sell when there's equal highs above. Why? Because this is a strong draw on liquidity. Price is likely to come sweep this. Even if we don't, I don't care, because more times than not, it will come to sweep this. So I'm not going to do that. When we're in an uptrend, if I want to take buys, I'm not taking buys until these equal lows has been swept. Okay, it's just the same but the opposite. So now what do I know? What did I notice here for the reason I didn't take these sells? What do we have up here? Again, any time frame is the same thing. We have 3 equal highs. Exact same price these 3 were. They're all equal here. What is this going to be? This is obviously going to be in draw liquidity. Price is obviously going to come sweep this. Okay, so this here I didn't take. I'm only selling once we sweep these equal highs. Boom. And then you can see we actually break structure to the downside. Oh, nice. So even though this setup was valid, it's fine. If you have equal highs above when you're selling, you shouldn't. Now let's look at this. So here, what do we have? Again, don't worry about the time frame. Low, high, low, high. Ooh, market structure shift. Ooh, we're bullish. I should look for longs. Why would I not long, let's say in this zone here, or even in this zone here, or any area of demand here? Because we have equal lows here. Okay, we even have more equal lows here. Okay, what is this? These are draws on liquidity. Price is very likely to come stop out everybody here, stop out everybody here, and then get a potential move. So if I want to look for longs, the structure is bullish, if my trend is bullish, if I get my setup, that's perfectly fine, but wait for these to get swept first. As we can see, if we entered early, I'm assuming we're going to get stopped out here because we are going to come sweep these lows. This is all literally from today, a couple hours ago, so there's examples every day. Oh, look at that. We sweep both of these first, and then what do? And then we come up, right? You can see there we get a structure shift there. After sweeping the lows, you could have entered in there and then rode price higher. So before you take a short, make sure there's no equal highs above. Before you take a long, make sure there's no equal lows below. That's a quick video for you guys. Go back test this. What I actually saw when I live streamed today. So if you want to join my live streams, the link is in the bio below. If anyone honestly has any video ideas, please just drop them in the comments. I'll be more than happy to make a video on that. Appreciate your time as always. Any questions, drop them in the comments below too. And I'll catch you in the next video.